This is perfect for everyone to eat family as a dinner. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have a lot more videos coming your way. Now, let's get started. Starting out on our outdoor entertainment space, we do have two awnings, one right here above me and one on our slide over here. These awnings do extend out, giving you a nice shady area. And underneath both of those is an LED strip, so if it is dark outside and you want to light things up a little bit, you can definitely do that. We also do have an indoor-outdoor speaker system out here. So you can see these speakers up here that allows you to play music both indoors and outdoors. But that does change from unit to unit. So if you are interested in one, make sure you check with your salesman just to make sure that one does have those included. Also, one thing out here is a very nice outdoor kitchen. So let's go check that out. This outdoor kitchen is located at the back of your Reflection, and look how nice this is, you guys. It is massive and you can hold lots of things back here. So they've given you some storage up top. This is perfect to put all of your utensils in. If you want to put some pans up there, some other items, you can store those in there. We also have a lot of countertop space with an electrical outlet and a sink. You also do have a griddle, and they've given you a drawer right here, so this is perfect to put all of your grilled things in. And you even have a mini fridge back here. What else could you want? Now, let's check out your storage. Your pass-through storage is located at the front of your camper, and as you can see, this is a massive space. This is perfect to put all of your outdoor supplies in. They've given you an easy to clean out floor down here, so if things do get a little bit dirty, it's very easy to clean this out. We also do have a couple electrical outlets down here. Over on my side, we do have a light and our battery disconnect. Over on the driver's side, you have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, over on your right hand side is your control panel. This is a easy to use control panel. Everything is labeled for you. It has your awnings, your slides, and all of your lights in one location, so you can control those very easily. We also do have a little storage area right up here. Moving on into our kitchen area, this is a nice bar area right here. This is perfect for if you want to use it as kind of like a serving area, or if you want to use it as a coffee bar or maybe a bar area for some margaritas. You have some electrical outlets, so you can plug in some machines back here, like a coffee machine or margarita machine. We also have lots of storage up top. This opens up, and the two in the middle actually have a see-through pane, so if you want to look in there and see what glasses you have, you can do that. We have this open little area right here. This is perfect little catch-all area. If you want to throw your keys, maybe a small purse or other items in there. There even is a USB and USB-C port in there, so if you want to plug in your phone right by the door, that's a good place to do that. We have more storage underneath and some large drawers over there to store some other items in. Let's move on into the rest of our kitchen. Right here is this gorgeous Furrion fridge. This opens up and you have a massive fridge and freezer in here. You're going to be able to store all of your groceries with ease. Over here is where we're going to be cooking those deluxe meals at. We do have this nice stovetop right here. This is a gas burner stovetop. We also do have a microwave up top. It is pretty roomy. An oven down below that. You can check that out. That's actually a very nice size oven right here. They've given you a storage drawer down here. This is kind of shallow, so you're probably not going to put your pots or pans in there, but you do have more storage spaces to do that. We have a smaller little area right here, and check out the best part about that. They've given you a pantry area in here. This opens up and you have a light in here and tons of storage. You can definitely put some big cereal boxes up here and just put all the rest of your groceries down over there. Now, let's check out probably the best part about your kitchen, which is your gorgeous island. In your kitchen, they've given you this massive island. This is perfect to make it look a little bit more homey in here. And one thing about that, check out this nice lighting above here. This is just an added little thing in here. It makes it look very nice and put together. Our island is very sturdy, and one of my favorite things they've done, they've given you these little panels right here. So if you do want to use this as kind of a serving area, you can do that. But underneath here is our nice farmhouse style sink. And the sink does have a retractable nozzle on it, which is a very nice touch. Over here, we have lots of storage. You have 3 drawers over to the right. And underneath the sink, this does open up into a very large space. You can put lots of cleaning supplies under there, or if you want to put maybe a small trash can, you have the room to do that. One thing to note about our island, they've given you these rounded corners on here. So For me, my hips are right at this level. I'm not gonna hit a sharp corner on my hips, or if you have some little ones running around, they're not gonna hit their heads on those sharp corners. These are nice and rounded, so it's not gonna hurt as bad. Also, another fun thing, there is underlit lighting on this side, so it just makes things look a little bit better in here. Very nice. Now, check out the rest of your living space. Across from your kitchen is your dining area. This is perfect for if you want to eat a meal as a family. Y'all can all sit here and you have plenty of elbow room. You can all eat very easily. We also do have some windows behind us, so if you want to see those gorgeous campground views, you can do that as well. A fun thing about this area is this table easily pushes down and these cushions move out to make this a sleeping space. So if you have a couple extra people at the campground with you, they have a place to sleep. Moving on over here is our theater seats. These are the perfect area for y'all to watch a movie together. You do have a couple of options right here. There's a light option, a heat setting, and even a back massager. These are reclinable, so you can pull this little thing right here and your feet pop out. And one cool thing about these seats are made specifically for campers. So whenever you recline, you don't have to worry about hitting that window behind you because they're made specifically for this area. We also do have a little bit of storage right here, so if you want to store some remotes or a tablet, you can. And above us, we do have some storage, so if you want to put some board games in there, maybe some movies, other items in there, and there's also an added storage space over here. So this is a fun little bookshelf area if you do want to put some books up here. You even have this net up here so things aren't going to move around while you're on the road. You can also add just some cute decor over here if you want to throw some picture frames up here, maybe a vase, you can do that. You also do have a little bit of added storage over here. And let's switch up that view and check out our entertainment space. Across from our theater seats is our entertainment area. So up here we do have some see-through panels into a storage space. So if you want to put some books in here, DVDs, other items, you can do that. In this center one is our control area for our indoor-outdoor speaker systems. So those speakers I showed you outside, this is where you control all that from. Down below that, we do have our TV. This TV can be swiveled a little bit, so if you want to see it from other areas in the camper, you can move that around. Underneath that, we do have a very large storage space. This is also perfect to put some DVDs in, or maybe some other items you do want in your entertainment area. Below that, we have our fireplace. This does work as a heating option for those colder months, or if it's during the summertime and you just want to use that as a light setting, you can do that as well. Now, let's check out the bunk room. In the back of your camper is the perfect area for kids, adults, anybody who wants their own little space back here. Over on this side, we do have a bunk up here. This is perfect for kids, or if you want to push this up, it does move and you have a couch under here that actually is an added sleeping space as well that pulls out, and you do have another bed right here. This is in a slide over here, so this does close when you're in travel mode, but let's check out the other side of the room now. On the other side of the room, we do have another bunk bed up here. This one is a little bit bigger, so a couple more kids could fit up here if they wanted to. We also do have a space for a TV right here, and there is a USB and USB-C port here as well. Down below, we have a couple of drawers for some clothes, and they even have their own little closet location right here. This opens up, giving you a hanging bar for your clothes and an extra little shelf right there. They haven't given you a step stool in here to get up on the bed, but this little location over here for storage does double as a ladder. They've put in this nice little sturdy pieces right here so the kids can easily climb up in that bed. And another thing about this location is they have their own bathroom, so let's check that out. The kids do have their own bathroom in here. This is a half bath. They have a step to flush toilet, their own window, and their own sink with a little bit of storage underneath. Now, check out the rest of the camper. In your reflection, you do have a walk-through bathroom with lots of storage. Over on the left-hand side, we do have this storage part right here. This is pretty deep, so you can put quite a few towels in here if you want to add those. Underneath that, there's a hanging bar for your towels and your step to flush toilet. Over on the right-hand side, we do have a medicine cabinet with a little bit of storage in there. You have your sink with lots of countertop space, and they've even given you an electrical outlet. So if you do want to bring some hairstyling tools, you can do that. You have open storage on the left-hand side under here, and you do have a little bit of storage under the sink as well for your cleaning supplies. Over in the corner, you have a corner-mounted shower. This opens up, and you have a detachable shower head. You do have some natural lighting in here, and they've even given you some shelving in here, so if you want to put your soaps in there, you can do that too. Now, check out the private bedroom. In our bedroom, we do have a slide. This is our wardrobe slide behind me. As you can see, it does have some mirror panels on here, and this actually opens up, giving you some closet space, and you do have some drawers over here as well, so all your clothes are going to be able to fit very easily. Now, let's check out the rest of the bedroom. In your private bedroom, you do have a queen size bed, and they've given you a couple added things. They've given you some nice throw pillows and this blanket in here. Also in here, we do have some storage overhead, so if that wardrobe slide wasn't enough for all of your stuff, you have room up here too for your items. We do have a shelf behind us with a USB and USB-C port, and on both sides you have an electrical outlet, so if you do want to plug in your phones or your CPAP machines, you have room to do that as well. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.